infused in virtually all their products. So things like glycerin, hyaluronic acid products, these are hydrating substances, these are hydrating products, so you do well to look out for such products. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is NonnyOhaeri and your skincare tips with Nonny. If you're a returning subscriber, I'm so much grateful for having you. Thank you so much. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. It is good to have you here. So let's dive into the video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to choose a moisturizer for an acne oil prone skin. If you have an acne oil prone skin and you've been having difficulties trying to understand or know the moisturizer to use for your skin, please stay tuned. This video is for you. Thank you. Okay. So, like I said earlier, I'm going to be talking about moisturizers for an acne oil prone skin. So we've already known that the 3 basic steps to your skincare routine is wash, moisturize, and put on your sunscreen. In my previous videos, I was able to explain a cleanser that is meant for an acne oil prone skin. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you or telling you how to choose a moisturizer. What is a moisturizer? First of all, moisturizers are skincare products just for you to hydrate and keep your moisture retained to prevent your skin from drying out. So after you're done putting on all the other treatments and doing everything you need to do, moisturizer is second to the last thing you apply on your skin before your sunscreen. So if you're choosing a moisturizer for an acne oil prone skin, they're just basic ingredients you need to look out for. Moisturizers are formulated with different components to target different needs. Do I need to explain that? Moisturizers are formulated to target different skincare conditions, different skincare issues. So if, for example, I have an oily skin, I'm going to be looking out for a product that has what my oily acne prone skin needs. I'm not going to be looking out for what a dry skin user needs. I'm going to be looking out for what will target acne, will target the oiliness of my skin in that same moisturizer. So there are just a few ingredients you need to look out for. So as much as they are formulated for different needs, from being an emollient to occlusives to humectants to anti-aging to anti-inflammatory, all of these things are words that you will hear in skincare products, or you will get familiar with it over time. But gradually, just take note of the things that you need to look out for. For active ingredients, you need to look out for an acne oil prone skin moisturizer. You need to look out for oil-free products. Products that have oil-free in them. They're not produced or formulated to have so much oil. Because of your oily skin nature, you won't have to go and wear a moisturizer that has oil already inside it. You're looking for products that will contain oil-free. One of those products, like I use a Cosrx skin moisturizer. This is it. It's printed on it oil-free. So it leaves my skin really hydrated, at the same time not putting any oil on my skin. Those are the kind of products, one of the products that you can look out for to use. You also look out for ceramides. Those ones help with your skin barrier. It helps hydrate your skin and at the same time help build up your skin barrier. Because of environmental factors, a lot of things can help you, can make your skin barrier lose its strength. So you're also looking out for products that will help with your skin barrier. Another active to look out for is niacinamide. Do well to have a niacinamide ingredient in any one of your routine. If you find it in a moisturizer, it is also good because it helps with oil production. We are not looking out for things that will take out oil but control the production of oil on your face. So niacinamide is one ingredient that will help with oil production on your face. Another thing to look out for is Non-comedogenic products. These products will not clog your skin. They are formulated for your skin pores. They are formulated not to clog your skin pores. So if you're looking for moisturizers, it is also important to look out for products that have non-comedogenic labeled on them. That is, they're not going to clog your skin pores, they're not going to make your skin clogged, they're going to just help with relieving your skin pores. That's what it means for a product to be non-comedogenic. What other products are you going to be looking for? Hydrating products that will leave your skin hydrated. The texture is smooth, hydrated, and you can be sure to know that some of these products or some of these brands have hyaluronic products infused in virtually all their products. So things like glycerin, hyaluronic acid products, these are hydrating substances, these are hydrating products, so you do well to look out for such products. Another thing too is vitamin C. Because it's an antioxidant, you also need such products with your skin brightening and skin smoothness. So products that have vitamin C in them, it's something to an oil-prone skin can use. Some products that have azelaic acid, which will target your dark spots, acne itself. These products are things you can use. There are brands that you can actually focus on, or not necessarily focus on them, but there are brands that I've used that I can recommend. Cosrx, oil-free moisturizer, Aveeno, I think Nature Well vitamin C moisturizer, yeah, La Roche moisturizer, Nature. A lot of brands, they are very, very good, and you can actually try out these moisturizers for your skin routine. I'll be putting some of the pictures on this video so that you can take note of them. It is not a paid product, it's just me sharing my experience with you of the moisturizers I've used so far and how far it has helped me, and I've been able to explain the things that you need to look out for when you're looking for a moisturizer for an acne oil prone skin. In my subsequent videos, I'll be doing more and you will grab the tips as much as you can. Please, I understand what it feels like to have a routine, trying to build up a skincare routine. Be sure to understand what works for your skin, and always try to do a patch test. What do I mean by a patch test? This is grabbing a product, maybe a new product that you want to introduce into your routine, and using them on the sensitive areas in your skin. Your arm is a very good place to check if your skin is sensitive to such products. So when you buy your product, do well to do a patch test. Neck, the back of your ear is a sensitive area, so you can try out those things there. If you don't react to it, then it's okay for your skin. Be sure to do a patch test. Remember, I am not a professional, I am not an esthetician, I am only sharing my experience with you on my YouTube channel. And if you find this video interesting, please do well to subscribe for more tips. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find it contradictory, or you have an observation or more comments to add to what I've said so far, please do well to drop it in the comment section. I know a lot of people are engaging in my comment section and people are learning a lot. Please do well to share your own tips too there. It is okay. Thank you guys for always watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. And I know this is amazing for me. It's really bringing me out of my shell, and I'm happy to share these tips with you guys and my experience so far. Thank you so much, and bye for now.